Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bangalore location. Let us discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for associate position from Flipkart. So it is for Bangalore location, Karnataka. Next, coming to job description, you need to review control process with the control owners and ensure test addresses control objectives which are complying with the anti-corruption financial controls and ensures an understanding of the control and the test for that control are formally documented in process narratives and testing template which are complying anti-corruption financial control requirements, and you need to execute monthly testing to verify effectiveness of the anti-corruption financial controls, and you need to drive remedial plans to ensure all noted observations are rectified in a timely manner, and you need to conduct design effectiveness of business process controls with effective discussions with the business process owners on a regular basis. So this is about the job description. So interested candidates about this job opening, if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening from Flipkart, so you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for seller fraud operations teammate. So it is from PayPal. So it is for Bangalore location. Coming to education qualification details, you have a high school diploma or equivalent experience is required to apply for this position, and should be having above 6 years of related experience or 1 year above 1 year of experience within a financial institution with experience in fraud, credit risk, and transaction processing or chargeback processing, and you are fluent in English and regional language, and you should have strong written and verbal communication skills, and you have proven customer communication experience like email and phone, and you should be having strong working knowledge of external systems and PC based internet and software applications, example internet, Microsoft Office, etc. So you should be having skills like creative and good at learning on the fly, and have strong customer focus and problem solving skills, and you operate with integrity. So these are the some of the details about this job opening. If you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can refer in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for legal counsel associate position from Agilent Technologies Inc. So it is for Bangalore location. Next, coming to job description, you need to support the India legal team and the global commercial legal group, and you need to draft, review, and negotiate NDAs, service agreements, procurement contracts, SOWs, and order forms, etc., to ensure they meet the company's contract standards and applicable laws. And you need to give support to support team on administration tasks on an ongoing basis, and to do legal research and provide stakeholders with accurate and timely information on various regulatory updates in the country, and you need to give support in the preparation of secretarial documents like notice and agenda for the board meeting and maintaining secretarial records, and you need to give support tasks and relating to the compliance management tool for India. So this is about the job description. You please go through with the information provided here, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening and other detailed information, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and you can also apply to this job opening through this link only. I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there are some vacancies available for fresher commerce graduate candidates. It is for passed out candidates. It is from Infosys BPM Limited for Bangalore location. So you should have done your Bachelor of Arts or Bachelor of Business Administration or Bachelor of Commerce. So these are the education qualification details, and you should be having excellent communication skills like the written and verbal both, and you should be having good analytical problem solving skills and also numerical ability, and flexible to work in a 24 by 7 work environment and in any process. So these are the some of the skills required for this position, and fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position. I mean, this is for fresher candidates. So interested candidates, for if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can refer in the official website link provided here, and you can also check in the website link for other details, like you can also apply through this link only, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for Client Service Officer position for GSCs. So it is from HSBC for Bangalore location. So you should be having a great written and communication skills in English, and ability to understand customer needs and translate to actions aimed at providing quick resolutions, and ability to resolve medium to complex queries including customer complaint resolution, and strong customer orientation and passionate about delivering superior customer service, and ability to write business emails providing complete and accurate information and the next steps, and flexibility to work shifts. So this is about the job description, and some of the skills are also included here. You can also check with all the information provided here, and for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for help desk executive position from JLL. It is for Bangalore location. So for this position, you should be having good communication skills, and prior experience with help desk or customer support will be added advantage, and you should be having knowledge in generic inbox management and also management of event request forms, and you should be good with dealing with people, and you should have knowledge in MS Excel. So you need to pay strong attention to detail and possess excellent problem solving skills, and under limited supervision, you are able to deliver results when working on autonomous projects, and you will need to be proficient in the use of Microsoft Office and accounts payable process, and ideally have working knowledge of finance system applications. So these are some of the details provided here for this about this job opening. So if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. There is a job opening for junior technician position for medical records. So it is from Apollo Hospitals. It is for Bangalore location. So coming to job description, coding the discharged patients to ICD 10 or and ICPM, and quantitative analysis and technical evaluation, and you can check here with the weekly reports and also monthly reports, and indexed reports for both administrative and medical studies, and you need to perform any work as and when assigned by superior. So you can also check here with all the information, and especially for about weekly reports and also monthly reports. So if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and you can also apply through this link only to this job opening. I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for intern position from Novozymes. So it is for Bangalore location. Coming to qualification details, you must have done your graduation in BSc or BTech or MTech or MSc in food science or food technology or biotechnology. Being a key player in conducting application trials in the F1B lab, providing leads and insights to commercial teams, unleash the true potential of biosolutions in enhancing the quality, functionality, and organoleptic properties of food and beverages. So you please check with all the information provided here, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for customer service assistant one position. It is from Mouser Electronics for Bangalore location. So you should have done your bachelor's degree. Any bachelor's degree is required for this position, and fresher candidates are also eligible, and 0 to 2 years of experience is required in customer service. So coming to skills and certification details, uh, ability and desire to provide excellent customer service and exhibits the potential to advance to other positions, and ability to type data for long periods of time. Proficient typing, math and writing skills are needed, and PC experience is required in a Microsoft Windows environment, and proficient with internet, Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook and other software, and ability to use, read and interpret spreadsheets, printed reports and dual terminal screen, and able and willing to use their telephone headsets, and professional verbal and written communication skills in English is required, including in a telephone environment. So interested candidates, so please check with all the skills provided here and also qualification details. And if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference and also for application process. There is a job opening for delivery executives or delivery drivers or delivery boys or delivery partner. It is from Shadow Fax Technologies Private Limited. So it is for Bangalore location, and salary will be between 25,000 to 40,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, you can use his own I mean you can use your own vehicle for delivery service and ensure that the vehicle is maintained, and execute point-to-point delivery to different customer addresses through navigation using your own vehicle or bike. Maintain SLAs and strictly follow the route and time schedule, minimum possible time, and all items ordered are to be checked before pickup and keep the quality of the food intact. Zero spillages to be ensured for food deliveries. Follow company's grooming and discipline standards and represent the company to the customer with responsibility, politeness, and integrity. Honesty, regulatory dedication towards work is necessary. So this is about the job role. Interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can go through with the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for trainee position from Siemens Technology and Services Private Limited for Bangalore location. So you need to perform daily customer creations and modification for third party and ICC requests, emergency processing, and you need to ensure proper accounting and controls are performed for processing activity, and you should be having excellent spoken and written communication skills, flexible in working rotational shifts, proficiency in MS Office packages like Word, Excel and PowerPoint, good decision making and analytical capabilities are required, and excellent verbal and written communication skills are required for this position. So interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here, and I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.